Hey learning designers, in this video we're going to dig into the expectations for Learning Task 2. I think it's fair to say that Learning Task 2 is at the core of EDUC 520 and the other assignments really work to support this one. This is your chance to work together as a group to design an interdisciplinary unit of study for students. Of course, we don't have students to design for, and therefore it's unlikely that you'll actually teach the unit that you plan. So the key takeaway in this learning is the creative process, both your ability to work with other professionals collaboratively and your ability to work across programs of study. A big part of my job is to help you develop the creative confidence and a language to be able to work with each other in this way. Luckily, I have quite a bit of experience in this regard. I spent 5 years as a learning specialist in Rocky View schools. Here's a picture right here of me working with teachers, and I've probably worked with hundreds of teams of teachers to collaboratively design learning. Through our weekly steps, I'll be bringing you tools and protocols that I've used with teachers in order to help you build your creative confidence. This experience really needs to build on the unit planning work that you did in Specialization 2, and maybe be better thought of as almost semester planning because of how we're going to think across units within our programs of study, both within subject areas and across subject areas, as well as integrate ideas from many experiences of our program, such as the STEM course, assessment course, Indigenous course, and others. This course is also an opportunity to think big, to consider the important work of engaging students in worthwhile learning that matters to themselves and the world. But it won't be utopic. We want to work with the constraints and realities of our programs of study and our classrooms, and to do that, we're going to ground our work in a context as well as real-world examples of student learning. The end deliverable for this course is a website that you will design that pitches your unit, provides an overview of the important design decisions. This will be intricately connected to Learning Task 3, where you create a video that showcases your website, as well as build an exemplar artifact that gives students an idea of what you envision them doing in the unit. I've done this myself and created a website that overviews the project that we're going to embark on. It's my own chance to create an exemplar artifact and do the project myself so I can learn better about what I need to do to support you. I've also collected a whole bunch of student exemplars over the last few years of teaching this course, which we will look at in great depth to help us understand the work. At this point, I recognize that the task likely seems a little nebulous, perhaps even daunting or overwhelming. What I want to assure you is that we're going to take it step by step. We're going to work with the programs of study. We're going to work with the creative ideation process. We'll work with universal design. We'll have a week where we think about assessment. And each of these steps along the way will be guided with creative structures and processes for you and your team to come to a new idea that you can all share. We're going to get started on our step-by-step process as soon as our first Zoom session. I'll be making groups in week 2 based on input from you regarding the grade range that you anticipate working with. But for now, take a deep breath. Trust me, together we can make this a really engaging and important learning experience for you. Can't wait to get started with our process.